Hi, my name is Beth. I live in Henderson, Nevada. I've been here about 2.5 years, originally from Oregon, and I went solar with Freedom Forever.
Wash your face and comb your hair. It's a fine time.
When I moved to Nevada and was looking for a home, solar was one of those things that slowly moved up the list of what I wanted in a house. I did further research. Again, I mentioned that I have a construction background and I have a slightly different take on things than a lot of other folks would. I loved the amount of communication that I got from Freedom Forever. The online portal that I had walked me through every step of what was going to happen. There were videos on there to really explain what to expect. Things went really smoothly. The installers were the nicest team of guys. These guys were showing up early in the morning. The solar was installed. The roofer came back, put all my tiles back on my roof, and I have this incredible solar array that I believe they call a picture frame because it looks amazing, absolutely incredible. So I couldn't have been happier with the process. My experience with solar since getting permission to operate has been really, really positive. It was such a breath of fresh air. My first summer here in Vegas, I had a power bill that was almost $600 in the peak of the summer. This past summer, I paid $12.50 a month. Since going solar. How can you not love that? So yes, going solar after having that permission to operate, beautiful, absolutely perfect. So now I have a predictable monthly power budget. I don't have to worry about it going up and down and fluctuating all the time. And that is huge. It just gives me great peace of mind. And it was such a weight off my shoulders knowing that I had Freedom Forever in the background helping me get through the process. It ended up being so much smoother than I ever anticipated that it would be. I'm really, really happy that I went solar using Freedom Forever. They were fantastic to work with through the entire process.
It's a